Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solution regarding assignment 7 of cloud computing course in NPTEL. So please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if you watch the video till the end, you will be able to note those changes that if I make any in between video. So please watch the video till the end. And friends, these are 100% correct answers. So I tried my level best to give you the 100% accurate answers. If you feel any doubt or changes in these answers, please comment in the comment section, so I will try to upload the valid reply for your valid comment. Coming to first question, latency is dash and attack on data encounter is dash probable in fog computing compared to cloud computing. So actually latency is less and attack on data and enrouter is also less. So mark option D as correct answer for first question. Coming to second question, what are the benefits of fog computing? That means benefits of fog computing is or are. So there are actually two benefits. First one is option B, that is low latency and location awareness, and next one is option D, widespread geographical distribution. So option B along with option D, mark B comma D as correct answers for second question. And coming to third one, consider following statements. Statement 1, mobile cloud computing, you can also short form as MCC, delivers applications to mobile devices quickly and securely with capabilities beyond those of local resources. Actually the statement 1 is correct. And coming to statement 2, MCC has key components profiler, solver, synchronizer. It is also correct. So both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Which option it is? It is option C. Both statements are true. So mark option C as correct answer for third question. So mark option C as correct answer for third question. And coming to fourth one, this fourth one, fog computing enablers are, actually they have given two correct answers in this question. The first one is option A, virtualization, and second correct answer is service oriented architecture. So mark option A and option C as correct answers for fourth question. And coming to fifth one, challenges of geospatial cloud is or are. So what are the challenges for GCC? So the challenges, actually there are three challenges here they given. The first one is security of data, and second one is option B, scaling of spatial database, and third one is geographically suited backup. So mark A, B along with C as correct answers for option A, B, C correct answers for fifth question. So mark option A, option B and option C for fifth one. Coming to sixth one, sixth question, example or examples of mobile cloud computing applications are. So the examples are mobile commerce, option A, and other one is mobile learning. Actually I have found these two only. If you feel any other answers are also include, because these two are confirmed correct answers. And if you feel any of B or D or both you feel correct answers, please mention in the comment section. But according to me, only option A and option C are correct answers. Again, it's a safe side to mark only two options rather than marking other answer without knowing, because only partial marking will also be considered but not wrong answer. So I'm going with option A and option C. Actually these two only the correct answers up to my knowledge. So coming to seventh one, consider following statements. What is statement 1? Geospatial cloud helps to integrate data from heterogeneous backend data service. It is correct only, correct statement only. And second one is data services can be inside and or outside of the cloud environment in geospatial cloud. It is also correct statement. So the answer is option C. Both statements are correct. So mark option C as correct answer for seventh question. Option C. And coming to last but second question, question number 8, performance of mobile cloud computing is measured by. Friends, I have found two answers for this one. Option B, battery energy consumption, first answer, and second one is time to completion of an application compared to local execution. So option B along with option C are correct answers. If you found any other options, please mention in comment section as usual. Coming to this one, option B and option C are correct answers for 8th question. Coming to last but one question, 9th question. Why we go for resource management in fog network? So what may be the reasons? There are two reasons I have found. Provisioning crash fault tolerance is the first option, and second option is use idle fog nodes to improve throughput. So mark option A and option B as correct answers for 9th question. And coming to the final question, that is 10th question, need of mobile cloud computing. What is need for mobile cloud computing, MCC? So there are three options. Because users quickly and securely collect and integrate data from various sources regardless of where data resides. It is the first answer. And second one, mobile apps run on the cloud and are are not constrained by device storage and processing resources. Option B. And final option C, mobile cloud applications can be built or revised quickly using cloud services. So mark option A, option B, and also option C as correct answers for 10th question. So friends, hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, then please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. So keep supporting us like this. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.